Hey guys, and welcome back. This tells me that you have made it to your Tuesday reading assignment. We are going to be showing you today how to turn in an assignment on Canvas. So as you can see my screen, it has a passage. The title is All About Bees. If you scroll down and look, you are going to be reading this together. After we read, you have something to do. So I've highlighted in yellow what you need to do, and then it says your turn. Notice there's nothing that you can do at the bottom. So in order to start your assignment, you need to click Submit Assignment. When you click Submit Assignment, a text box will appear. So this is where you'll respond to us. So let's scroll back up. And we're going to read all about bees. Native bee or not a bee? This text is provided courtesy of the National Audubon Society. Paragraph 1. A lot of people think any yellow, buzzing, flying insect is a bee. I always think that. But that flying insect you see may not be a bee. Some flying insects are bee mimics. They look a lot like bees. One example of a bee mimic is a kind of fly called a bee killer. This fly actually eats bees. Say what? That is crazy. So, not all the flying yellow buzzing things are bees? There's a thing called a mimic. Take a look at how a bee and a bee killer are similar and how they are different. All right, bees. Bees have a stinger, which are the females only. So that means who only? Girls, good. The second bullet says bees have 4 wings. How many wings do they have? 4. Bees have long antennae, usually of the same thickness. So their antennae are long. Those things that stick out of their head, they are long. Then it says that bees have separate eyes on the side of the head. What's coming up next? The bee mimic. Bee mimics. Bee mimics have no stinger. So they don't have that thing that hurts you. They have short antennae, often pointed. So their antennae are short and pointy. Bee mimics have 2 wings. Ooh, I'm noticing a difference right here. Up there, it told me that bees have 4 wings. Bee mimics have only 2, and bee mimics have short antenna, and bees have long antenna. Bee mimics have bulging eyes that are close together. So their eyes are bulging and close, whereas the bee, they have separate eyes on the sides of their head. All right, both bees and bee mimics. Both are yellow and black. Both are brightly colored. Both have slender legs. I'm thinking, what do I think the word slender means? I'm hoping you're thinking like skinny little legs. And they both are fuzzy. Very nice. So we have made it through our whole text. And right now I'm thinking in my head, this whole thing was about how bees and bee mimics are the same and how they are different. So your job now is 2. Write 2 things you learned about bees. I've given you an example on how you should write this in the text at the bottom. One thing I learned about bees is blah, 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 blah. Another thing I learned about bees is blah, 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 blah. So you need to have 2 things that you learned about bees or bee mimics. So now it's your turn. You're going to type here, one thing I learned, and you can copy everything that I have, but this will be your answer, and then you'll copy, and this will be your answer. I can't wait to see the great work that you do. Oh, sorry, don't forget, after you type here, you need to click Submit Assignment. This blue button right here, once you click that, it will give me your awesome answer. I'm not going to click it because I am not assigned this assignment. So go ahead, go do your assignment, and I will see your awesome answer soon.